Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a calcium jacket. A calcium jacket is a specialized protective coating designed to safeguard metal components from environmental degradation. This process is crucial for enhancing durability and preventing rust or other forms of corrosion. We'll cover the essential steps, from preparing the surface to applying the final protective layer, ensuring a robust and long-lasting finish for your materials. Proper surface preparation is the cornerstone of a successful calcium jacket application. First, meticulously clean the metal to eliminate any dirt, grease, or old coatings. Use a suitable degreaser to ensure the surface is completely free of oils. Then, lightly abrade the surface, perhaps with a fine grit sandpaper or wire brush, to create a profile that allows the calcium jacket material to adhere strongly and uniformly. Once the surface is prepared, it's time to apply the calcium layer. Carefully mix your chosen calcium-based compound, strictly following the manufacturer's guidelines for ratios and consistency. Apply this mixture evenly across the entire surface, striving for a uniform thickness, typically around 1 to 2 millimeters. Pay close attention to edges, corners, and any areas prone to wear, ensuring thorough and complete coverage for maximum protection. The final stage involves proper curing and finishing. Allow the calcium jacket to cure completely, which might take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, depending on the product and environmental conditions. Maintain stable temperature and humidity levels during this period to ensure optimal hardening. After curing, inspect the jacket for any cracks, bubbles, or unevenness, making minor repairs, if necessary, to guarantee a durable and effective protective coating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.